There's a whole library of custom frames hidden inside of Canva. You have to make them yourself, but I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So let's jump right into it. I'm going to start off with a new presentation file, and I'm going to go over here to elements. In Canva, most of the element files are actually vector files, and that is the foundation of creating a frame. It's going to take a couple of steps, but I'm going to show you how I make custom frames out of basically any element that I can find in Canva. So I like all these. Let's try this one. So here's an image here. And as you can see, as I scale it, and because I can change the color of it, that's a telltale sign that it is a vector image, not a JPEG or PNG image. Now, all I have to do is share this image. Let's go to share, and we're going to go to download SVG. Now, as you noticed, the element I happened to pick was a pro feature element, and saving as an SVG is a pro feature. So these are pro features, and you have to have that level of Canva to make that happen. I'm going to go ahead here and click transparent background, and I'm going to download it. Now, that SVG that I just downloaded, I'm going to bring it into Apple Keynote to finish this process. So let's go. So here we are in Apple Keynote. I open up a basic white presentation. I'm going to go ahead and click and drag across all these elements and delete. Then I'm going to go find that SVG file that I just exported from Canva and bring it in. And all I did was drag that into my presentation. As you see here, you see wide click boxes, right? We're still good though. All we need to do now is right click on this image, and we're going to go to break apart. And we're going to get this warning. This image may look different. We're going to be okay with that. Click OK. And now, if you look over here in the format style option, we now have options to fill with different things. I'm going to go to fill instead of color fill. I'm going to go to image fill. And as you see, only that image has that gray texture in it now. I'm going to go to my desktop and grab a custom image, because this only works if you fill the shape with a custom image. You cannot use the default image of Keynote to make this happen. It has to be a custom image. So I have one of those on my desktop here. I'm going to grab it and drag it over the square of the image fill area. And as you see here, now it's filled with a custom image. I'm going to scale this up just so you can see it a little bit better. So all we have to do now is export this, bring it back into Canva. So I'm going to go to File, Export to PDF. Hit Save, and we're going to call this one Hero. Now we're ready. Let's go back to Canva and use this shape as a custom frame. We're going to go here to Upload, and we're going to find the image we just exported from Keynote and drag and drop it in this place. So now we're just going to click the image, and now all we need to do is click the shape we just added, click Delete to delete our custom image fill, and now we can fill this shape with anything. It is now a custom frame. We can fill it with a photo, we can fill it with a video, or we can fill it with a color. So there you have it. Any element that's in the Canva library can now be turned into a custom frame by a simple process of exporting it into Keynote, doing a few changes, and exporting it back into Canva. All right, y'all, keep on creating. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.